Building a 1 million in 30 days plan in Nigeria is not about motivation. It's about math, margin, and speed. Welcome to Money Talk with Frank. Hit the subscribe button, share our videos, and click the bell notifications to be notified for more useful tips. Step 1. Do the math first. Most people skip this. 1 million in 30 days equals 33,333 per day. Now choose your model. Option 1. High ticket sell 100,000 offer 10 sales equals 1 million. Option 2. Mid ticket sell 50,000 offer 20 sales equals 1 million. Option 3. Low ticket, harder, sell 20,000 offer 50 sales equals 1 million in 30 days. Higher ticket is easier. Step 2. Choose a fast-moving offer. In Nigeria, speed matters. Don't build something complex. Best 30-day models, skill-based service, fastest, like website design, social media management, video editing, copywriting, paid ad setup. Close 5 clients at 200,000 equals 1 million. No inventory, no factory, just skill plus selling. Digital product plus strong marketing like online course, mini bootcamp, 30-day challenge, ebook plus templates. Example, sell a 25,000 challenge 40 sales equals 1 million. Works well if you already have audience. Resell high demand product like phones, solar systems, beauty products, fashion bundles. Example, 50,000 profit per item times 20 units equals 1 million, but this requires capital. Step 3. Build the offer properly. Your offer must include specific result, clear timeline, bonuses, guarantee, scarcity. Example, make your first 100,000 online in 30 days, even if you're starting from zero. Now that's sell-able. Step 4. 30-day execution breakdown. Week 1, build and position. Finalize offer. Create simple sales page. Set payment system. Start posting daily value. Week 2, audience and leads. Post consistently. Run WhatsApp marketing. Start DM. Build interest list. Week 3, aggressive selling. Testimonials. Live sessions. Scarcity. Close hard. Week 4, push and upsell. Final call campaign. Offer payment plan. Upsell premium option. Step 5. Focus on one channel. Don't scatter. Choose Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. Dominate one for 30 days. Reality check. 1 million in 30 days is possible. Demanding, sales heavy, not passive. You must sell daily. The fastest path if starting today. If you have skill sell service, small audience launch challenge, capital flip products. No skill plus no capital plus no audience equals you must build one fast. If these tips have been helpful, subscribe to this channel, share this video and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and put it into practice.